Good morning, children. Today start the class for 4th standard maths. Term 2, Unit 1 Geometry. Once again revise now. Geometry is having here 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Differentiate of the 2D and 3D shapes. Two D shapes, 2 dimension. 3D shapes, 3 dimension. Dimension is length, breadth. 3D shapes, length, height and width. Example, square, rectangle, circle, triangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium, quadrantial. 3D shapes example, cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, pyramid. The next one, symmetry. The figure which can be divided into two parts of equal shape and size are called symmetrical. Here given for square shape, rectangle, leaf. So you draw the line and cut the symmetry and get the shapes is mirror image. That one image is saying here mirror image. Symmetry in geometrical shapes. The line which divide a figure into two equal halves is called the lines of symmetry. Here taken for the square shape, draw the line for diagonal first one, second one, then half, slipping line, then standing line. So 4 lines take the symmetry. A square shape, draw 4 lines is possible for symmetry. Then next one, rectangle. You take the rectangle, draw a sleeping line and standing line. These 2 lines of a symmetry. The next one, draw the circle. A circle have how many lines counted here? This is the countable. Not countable. Always 2 more lines or 3 more lines is also possible to draw the line. That's why this is circle as infinite. I-N-F-I-N-I-T-E. Infinite lines of symmetry. So this is the circle. Circle is also possible for many ways. Not countable the lines. Okay. That's why saying here infinite line. Okay. Then last one, here taken for the all the sides is equal. So equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So here draw the line for this one diagonal. Here one diagonal. Here one diagonal. So 3 edges. Draw the lines. So 3 lines. Triangle take 2 part. For 3 part, 3 types of model to take for symmetry line. Okay. This is the concept for symmetry. Exercise number 1.1. Draw the mirror image. Here given for the pencil. So given the dot line. So opposite side also you get for same size of pencil. So that's why this one is called for a symmetry. Okay. The next one I draw here V. Again you draw for V. This one same. The next one circle. Circle is also possible to cut the line and draw for same opposite side. Then next one, fourth one, take the line. This one opposite side, same symmetry mirror image, only you draw this possible way. Here taken for a rectangle of size. Then opposite sides is also same. So this 2 part is same. That's why here saying this one mirror image. This one is called for mirror images. This is the exercise number 1.1. Shall I move now? Exercise number 1.2. Exercise number 1.2. Draw the lines of symmetry in each of the following figures. Draw the lines of symmetry in each of the following figures. So first one taken here, leaf. So you cut that line for half of the symmetry. Then here, semicircle, draw the line for straight line. So you get the symmetry. Here rectangle, standing line or sleeping line. Any one way to use to draw the line symmetry. The next one, H. You draw the line for sleeping line. Opposite sides is equal. Or draw the line straight line. You get the opposite sides also equal. Okay. This is the draw the line of a symmetry. Exercise number 1.2. Draw the line of a symmetry. Given the figure. Figure is given to you. So you draw the line. Then you get the symmetry. Okay children. Then next one. Exercise number B. How many lines of symmetry for the following figure? Here taken for the square. So how many possible ways to draw the line for the symmetry? 1, 2, diagonal. 1, 2. So how many ways to draw this symmetry? 4 lines. So you draw the lines for how many? 4 lines you draw and get the symmetry. The next one, take the rectangle. The rectangle you say to draw for sleeping line or standing line. This is the 2 lines. This one used for 2 lines only you get the symmetry. The next one, here taken for the floor, standing line, sleeping line or diagonal. So this is 4 lines, 4 possible ways to take the symmetry. The next one, the sleeping line. This is the cross line. Then diagonal. Here also one more diagonal. So totally how many possible ways? 4 lines. So how many lines is asking the question for you. So you counted and write the numbers only. 4 lines for square, 2 lines for rectangle. This one flower is having for 4 lines to possible. Then next one, last one, letter X or into. Take the 4 lines is possible to the symmetry. Okay children, you understand the concept now? Then next one, exercise number 1.3. Which of the following figure is symmetrical about dotted line? Here taken for the letter P. So already given for this line, dotted line. So this one up and down is same? No, this is not a symmetry. So not a symmetry. Then next one, take the square. Only one part only take to draw the line. So this dotted line to possible for opposite sides is equal? No. This one is also not a symmetry. So write the answer, not a symmetry. The next one, take the floor. Here use this dotted line. So this one is a symmetry? Yes. Is symmetry. Yes, a symmetry. The next one, here T. So give the dotted line. So this is a symmetry? No, opposite side is not same. So this one is not a symmetry. Then last one, take the circle. So circle used for the dotted line. So this is a symmetry? Yes, left hand side and right hand side is a same. So this is a symmetry. Yes. The next one, given for this first chapter, book exercise. Once again recall this one, given the notes. Who am I? I have no sides, no vertex and many lines of a symmetry. Which one that? Circle, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Then second one, I have 4 equal sides and 4 lines of symmetry. So 4 equal sides is saying easy to find out. Square, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Then third one, I have 3 equal sides, 3 vertices and 3 lines of a symmetry. Who am I? Who one is having for 3 lines? Triangle. But here equal sides is given to you. So you write for equilateral triangle. EQUIL ATERAL TRIANGLE, equilateral triangle. The next one, fourth one, I have 4 sides, opposite sides are equal and I have 2 lines of symmetry. Who am I? This one is saying a rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. 4 sides, opposite sides are equal. That's why you easy to find out rectangle, this one. Okay children, you understand for the first unit. Shall I move now? Second unit for numbers. Here given for unit 2 is numbers. First term you studied for number names, expand the form, place value, short form, addition, subtraction. Okay. Here you learn for the second term multiplication by lattice algorithm. LATTICE, lattice algorithm. ALGORITHM, algorithm. Up to 2-digit number by 2-digit number and 3-digit number by a single digit number. So here given for the multiplication 4, 8, 48, 3, 6, 36. So 48 is a 2-digit number, 36 is a 2-digit number. This 2-digit number used to multiply for 2 digit. That's why saying for 2 cross 2. So this one is saying for 2-digit number by 2-digit number. This one ready to do for lattice algorithm. So you are having the how many numbers? 2 numbers, totally 4. So you take for 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. Okay. This one for in your book exercise example sum. Unit 2 numbers. Multiplication by lattice algorithm. 2-digit number multiply with 2 digit. Okay. Already you studied for 3rd standard. Tables up to 6 table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 table. Then 10 table. You learn thoroughly for now 4th standard up to 10 table children. You every day do practice, say the table. Then only you do the sums correctly. Okay. You practice yourself children. So 2-digit number you taken for 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. Already you learn for the diagonal. So I draw the line, this diagonals here for this. First diagonal, then second diagonal, then third diagonal. So only you get this model of the. Then start now exercise number 2.1. First sum, multiply the following number by using the lattice method. Okay. First number is given to you 52, here 49. So first you should write for 5, 2 in top of the box. Then second number you write down right side 4, 9. Okay. Then This is the first step. You take it out and write the number for the multiplication method. Then I write it here again. 5, 2, 4, 9. First you take the number, this 2. 2 and 4. 4 2s or 2 4s is same. So those who know the table only you do the sum. 2 4s are 8. So first you write for here 8. So this one is not having the number, so put the 0. Only single number, so write this 0. Here 8. Then next one 4 5 or 5 4. 4 5s are 5 4s are 20. So you take it out and write for this box 20 2 0 20. Okay. Then next one, leave this box. Then you take the number for here 9. Then 2. 9 2 or 2 9. 9 2s or 2 9s are 18. So you should write here 1 8 18. So write separately 1 8. 1's place, 10's place. Then you do for next one 9 5. So 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. So write here for 4. Here for 5. Okay children. First you do the multiplication. Don't do for carry over. Directly you write all the numbers. First you do for 2 4s are 8. So 8 you should write for 0 8. 8 is a 1's place. 0 is a 10's place. Then next one you do for 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 5 4s are 20. Then next you do for 9 2s are 18. 9 5s are 45. Then you start to do for addition. How to get the number answer? Finally you do it. So multiplication is completed. Then you do to add now. First one this. Here you write for 8. Then next one you do for this remaining place only. This is the column for yours. This is the straight line. So 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 8 14. So write 14. Then next one 4 0 0. So you should add for this number line. So 4 only. Then next one, last one, remaining 2 only. Then you take it out and write the number this way. Okay. So first number for 8. Then second number for 4. So this one give it to next place. This one is give it to here. So 1 plus 4 5. Then last number 2. So 52 multiply 49 equal to 2548. This is the answer. Okay children, you understand the concept now? Thank you. Next class we will learn remaining sums. Thank you children.